So we see someone with long red curly hair. The stylist has the scissors. Looks like she got some color. Oh, wow. Really pretty kind of undercut style bob with that transformation. Gorgeous color. And then we move into the next one. So she's going to be getting her hair trimmed. Beautiful. Makeup done. Oh, I love her bangs. So beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Here we have someone cutting their hair into a bob haircut. Now her hair is pretty thin, so I'm assuming that the stylist is going to kind of give it a bit of a thicker appearance. She does color the hair. Very nice job. Look how thicker she made her hair look. The color actually adds some more dimension too. She looks amazing. Absolutely beautiful. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a hair video. So this next client is also getting some color. Wow, she went blonde. Beautiful lob haircut and blonde coloring. Very bold blonde hair at that. So then we move on to another hair transformation. And I believe she's also going to be getting a bob haircut. So this one ends around shoulder length. And she's also getting some color. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. The color really brightened up her complexion. And then we see another pixie haircut transformation for the next one. I love the hint of burgundy that her hair has. It's like a nice little touch to her hair. It's very subtle and the bangs look amazing. So here we have someone else getting a bob haircut. She has rather long hair as well. And she has nice, wavy, thick hair. And this lob looks amazing. The stylist did add some waves as well. So it looks like another pixie haircut for the next one. Beautiful texture and shape added through the cuts. Gorgeous. She looks so chic. And then we see another bob transformation. Alright you guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out these videos if you want to see more inspiring hair transformations.